Stop for a second. Don't skip this. Because what you're about to hear isn't motivation, it's a warning. Welcome to English Verse, a place where learning English is only the beginning. Today, you're not just watching another video. You're standing at a crossroads. One path leads to the same life you're living now. The other leads to a completely different version of you. Let me ask you something real. If your life ended tomorrow, would you be proud of how you lived today? If that question makes you uncomfortable, good. That discomfort is your signal. Because nothing changes until you feel uncomfortable enough to move. Your life will not magically improve. No miracle is coming. No perfect moment will arrive. The future you want will only exist when you decide to become someone new. And let's be honest, how long have you been lying to yourself? I'll start tomorrow. I'm too busy. I don't have the money. I'm not ready yet. Those aren't reasons. Those are excuses. And excuses are just fear wearing a mask. Do you know why most people never succeed? Not because they're unlucky. Not because they're stupid. But because they choose comfort over growth. They complain instead of changing. They wait instead of acting. Look at anyone you admire. None of them had it easy. They were doubted, underestimated, and criticized. The difference? They didn't stop. Think about this for a moment. Picture your ideal life. Really picture it. You wake up in a home you worked for. A calm, peaceful place. Outside, your car is waiting not because you wanted to show off, but because you earned it. Your parents are relaxed. No stress. No fear about the future. You took that weight off their shoulders. Now open your eyes. That life isn't fantasy. It's possible. But only if you're willing to change who you are today. Here's the truth no one wants to hear. Your daily habits are building your future or destroying it. Every hour spent mindlessly scrolling. Every night wasted on entertainment instead of improvement. Every time you choose comfort over effort. Time is the only resource you can't earn back. Once it's gone forever. Successful people don't have more time. They just use it differently. They learn while others watch. They build while others complain. They prepare while others sleep. Now think about your parents. Your mother gave you life. She sacrificed her comfort, her health, her peace. Your father carried responsibility on his shoulders every day, even when he was exhausted. Ask yourself honestly, what are you doing to honor that sacrifice? Imagine telling your parents, you don't have to worry anymore. I've got this. Imagine the pride in their eyes. That moment is worth every struggle. But let's be clear, success demands sacrifice. It means waking up early when you don't feel like it. Working when others are relaxing. Saying no to distractions so you can say yes to your future. There's an old story about a student who asked a mentor how to become successful. The mentor took him into the ocean and held his head underwater. When the student finally broke free, gasping for air, the mentor said, "When you want success as badly as you wanted that breath, you'll have it. So ask yourself, how badly do you really want it?" Look around you. The people closest to you matter more than you think. If you're surrounded by negativity, laziness, and excuses, that will become your normal. Growth requires the right environment. Sometimes, leveling up means walking alone. Believe this, no one will believe in you until you do. The world is full of critics. Let them talk. Your job is to prove them wrong, not with words, but with results. And understand this about failure. failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of it. Every great person failed repeatedly. Failure teaches you what works and what doesn't. Quitting teaches you nothing. Give your mind space. Silence is powerful. Turn off the noise. Sit alone. Ask yourself what you truly want, not what society expects, not what others demand. Speak to yourself with strength. Your thoughts shape your reality. If you constantly tell yourself you're weak, you'll live weak. If you tell yourself you're capable, you'll rise. Say it until you believe it. I am disciplined. I am capable. I am becoming better every day. Visualize the life you want. See it clearly. Feel it. But don't stop there. Vision without action is just a dream. Your mind is powerful, but only if you control it. Stop letting fear run your thoughts. When doubt appears, challenge it. Replace it with action. You already have everything you need to succeed. The only missing piece is belief. Want better health? Start small. Want better English? Learn a little every day. Want financial freedom? Build one habit at a time. Massive change comes from small, consistent actions. Be your own motivator. Don't wait for applause. Don't wait for validation. Stand in front of the mirror and respect the effort you're making. Ask yourself every night, what did I do today to move forward? What will I improve tomorrow? Stay grateful. Gratitude fuels progress. It reminds you how far you've come and gives you strength to keep going. Now listen carefully, this is where everything shifts. Stop accepting average. Average effort leads to average results. You weren't born to just survive. You were born to build, to grow, to lead. Dream big without apology. Let people laugh. One day, they'll ask how you did it. Cut distractions. Cut toxic conversations. Replace them with learning, discipline, and focus. Your life is shaped by the choices you make every single day. Choose growth. Choose effort. Choose courage. The clock is ticking. Time doesn't wait. One day, you'll look back, make sure you're proud of what you see. You're not too late. You're not too early. The only right moment is now. Ask yourself, why not me? Why can't you be successful? Why can't you master English? Why can't you create a life that inspires others? You are not your past. You are not your mistakes. Every day is a new chance to become stronger. Stop blaming circumstances. Take responsibility. Ownership is power. Let your work speak. Stay focused. Stay quiet. Build in silence. Celebrate small wins. Progress matters. And here's your final challenge, don't just listen. Decide. Write down what changes today. One habit. One action. One promise to yourself. You get one life. One opportunity. Don't waste it. Dream big. Work relentlessly. Stay disciplined. Believe in yourself because I believe in you. Now go. Take action. And become unstoppable.